Hello everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you on how to turn off location tracking on Facebook, helping you maintain your privacy. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook mobile app on your device. In the app, tap on the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. In the settings, look for Permissions and tap on it. Under Device Permission, select Location. Now, tap on Update Settings. Next, tap on Open Device Settings. In your device settings, select Permissions. Tap on Location. To turn off location tracking for Facebook, change the settings to Don't Allow. And that's it. You successfully disabled location tracking for Facebook. Your current location will no longer be shared with the app. By following these simple steps, you've taken control of your privacy on Facebook. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!